Kei tawhiti rawa Tamaiti Williams I tōna kāinga, engari kua whai he kāinga rua ki ngā Crusaders.
A lot of my family are Blues supporters at heart, but they won't quite put a Crusaders jersey on, but they'll wear the colour red for me. So.
Kua whakaingoa tea Williams, kia tuki rai ki te tīma Blues ki tāmaki a te hatarei. Nā ko nei te wāhi tīmata tōna ara whutupōro.
It's special for me because family that can't fly, my grandparents that can't come down here, those are the people I love playing in front of.
I uru atua Williams ki te tīma nei I te tau 2020 mātahi. Ko tā te pauako a James Marshall, he pou whirinaki ia.
Oh, he's just a beast. Like he's so good for us. Set piece, he's dominant. He's getting his work around the field. He's growing that every week as he gets more conditioned to Super Rugby because obviously it's a lot quicker. Guys are feeling that, and we're really happy with how he's going.
Anyone who knows me knows I live on physicality, and personally I don't think I've been there quite where I can be at the start of this year.
Kua whai wāhi mai a taha kemara hei fly half. Koe nei tāna whakaterenga tuatoru hei whakamau I te poraka whiro mā tēnei uri o teika.
We're stoked with how he's been going. He's come back a whole new man. He's so confident. He's driving the team. We know what James O'Connor can bring us off the bench, so we've had that plan throughout the whole year in terms of the cohesion piece where give Tahu the reps, and when we feel like the game needs that extra bit of game management or James to come on and close it out, that's when we'll make that change.
Nā, ko te mana ko nui, ka hoki mai rātau hei kaitoa.
Winning's infectious, contagious. It brings the energy on a Monday after a win. No matter what the performance is, if you've got the 5 points or the 4 points from the week before, there's a different energy in the group.
A Crusader jersey going against a Blues jersey, everything is on the line. And yeah, for them, that they have had a rough start, but we've got to respect them. And we know the calibre of players in their team. We were in the same position last year, so we're giving them all the respect they deserve. And the best thing we can do is go up there and put on a performance.
Ka tīmata te rauna tuono mo te Crusaders a te hatarei ki Eden Park. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.